Hey there! In today's video, I'll be bringing you along with me as I sew a sports bra for the first time. I'm also doing this as an independent study class for school, so bonus points. First thing I did was find a good looking pattern. Lucky for me, I found this free pattern online from sewsoeasy.com. Once you've got it printed out, you need to tape the right pieces together and cut out the size you want. I chose the smallest size, which is medium. When pinning my fabric, I made sure that all the pieces were upright and the pattern on the fabric was going the same direction for all pieces. Now time to cut. Cut close to the pattern because the fabric is stretchy. Oh yeah, the fabric I'm using is leftover stretch knit from a circle skirt I made a few years ago. After you've cut all your pieces out, take the back yoke piece and pin it right sides together with the side back piece. To do this, you'll want to find the center of each piece by folding them in half and pinning from the middle outwards, using lots of pins because this kind of fabric can slip around a lot. Also, for sewing this fabric, you'll need to use a ballpoint needle and some fabric stabilizer. Now onto the sewing. After many attempts to sew many layers together without the stabilizer, but with the ballpoint needle, I got some help from a lady at my local sewing store that the stabilizer would help move the fabric along, preventing it from slipping. Also, make sure to cut the stabilizer a bit larger than what you're sewing, just in case. For sewing most of the seams, I used a wide but compact zigzag stitch. Once you've sewn your seams, all you have to do is rip the stabilizer off the back. As you can see, where I used a skinnier piece of stabilizer, the fabric seems to bunch up a bit and isn't as flat. Next step is to sew the front to the side back piece, right sides together. Make sure to sew both sides of the front to create the circle of the bra. After that, you're going to sew the sides of the fabric to the inside of the front of the bra, leaving the bottom and top open. Also sew the straps right sides together and then we can start the elastic. If you can find fold-over elastic, that might work better for this, but I could only find regular elastic. I sewed the elastic on the right side of the arm and neck holes, and then folded it over and top stitched it with another zigzag stitch, making sure to leave the facing open underneath the straps so you can add pads if you prefer. Lastly, I cut out a long strip of matching fabric, a little bit shorter than the circumference of the bra, and double the width you'd like because we're going to fold it over. Sew the ends together to create a loop and sew that to the bottom of your bra, right sides together. If you have a serger, you can finish all the seams properly, but I chose just to leave them. With the finished product, I noticed that there were some puckers in the front near the armholes, but that's probably because I didn't use fold-over elastic. Overall, I really like the fit and would recommend others to use this pattern as well. Well, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, comment down below what your hobbies are. I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye!